Creating video display ads on Amazon can be a great way for you to improve your Amazon PPC sales by up to 20%. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily create stunning Amazon sponsored brand ads using video. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and if you're on YouTube, click the alert notification. That way, as I give more tips like this, you'll get notified. Now, what I really love about Amazon sponsored video ads is that it allows you to create content that connects with your customers. Video ads are more engaging, and therefore it's more likely to lead to a conversion because you're able to portray your brand image in exactly the way your ideal customer is looking to connect with. Now, in order to create video ads on Amazon, you do need to have a registered trademark on file, and you need to be part of their brand registry program. So if you haven't already done that, it's a great investment getting a trademark for your brand. That way you can get access to a plethora of Amazon advertising tools that you otherwise wouldn't get access to if you didn't have a registered trademark. And what I just wanted to briefly show you real quick was a client's account that we've had since the end of July. We've only had them for a few months. They've wanted the budgets to be fairly low. They want to do a lot of testing first for the video ads, but so far you can see that the video ads are producing great results for the client. We're at $262 in ad spend and over $2,000 in sales. That's not bad. And so when we look at the click-through rate overall, the average is 1.58%, which is pretty good. And the cost per click is fairly low when compared to the keyword cost per click for this product. I think the average is $3. And so you can also see that the ACoS is 13%, and they've so far sold 42 units. This is still in the testing phase for this particular client. They're wanting to test different things, but just looking at some of the initial results, you can see how powerful video display ads are on Amazon, and I'm about to show you how you can also leverage this powerful tool in your own Amazon business. Now, luckily, you do not need to be a professional videographer in order to produce stunning results. All you need to do to produce a stunning video would be to simply go to a website like Fiverr and hire a freelancer who specializes in videography and hire them to create your video. Okay, so all you'll have to do is go to Fiverr, which is a platform for freelancers. You can just type in product video ads in the search box, and when you click search, you can go ahead and scope through all of the different freelancers offering their product video services. And it's pretty simple, actually. You just go through all of them, find whichever one sticks out to you, and whichever one offers you the best deal. Message quite a few of them, maybe 3 to 5, if not more, and see if you can get not only a good deal, but good video content. You can also look at some of their past videos to know that you're getting the quality that you're looking for. All you need to do is send them your product, and then go ahead and allow them to create your video. And usually I would recommend hiring 2, so that way you can compare the videos and you can have multiple use cases for the content. And if one turns out to not come out so good, then at least you'll have another one that will more than likely be the quality you're looking for. But always get 2, so that way you can match them up against each other, or so that way you can also have multiple video ads running with different content. So maybe you can target different customers. So if you're selling, let's say, a sports vitamin, you can have a lot of people, let's say, working out in different areas, like maybe swimming, or maybe people working out at the gym, or people doing yoga, different niches that you can target in video, and you can create different video ads targeting those specific audience sectors. And that's a good way to diversify. But go ahead and look at some of these freelancers who create video ads, find the best one for your product, and go ahead and start hiring them. Just make sure when you're hiring the freelancers that you stick to Amazon's video guidelines. So to find these guidelines, all you have to do is go to Amazon Advertising Video Guidelines, and it'll give you their video asset requirements. Just briefly, you can see that the video dimensions need to be 1920 by 1080 pixels. They have the file size needs to be less than 500 megabytes, so nothing too large. And also, they don't want videos that are too long. So you can see for desktop and mobile, video duration up to 3 minutes, but they're actually recommending on their video guidelines 15 seconds or less is highly recommended. So Amazon just really wants a video that portrays your message as quickly as possible, in order to do the best is what they're recommending. Our client's video ad right now is 45 seconds, so it's under a minute. And the video ad, since they sell fitness products, the video ad has people, working out, doing yoga, doing things that are athletic in order to appeal to that ideal customer avatar. So that's what you're going to want to do. You're going to want to find a videographer that can make a video, but you need to know who your ideal customer is, so that way your ideal customer, that avatar, is in the video. So again, in this instance, if you're selling a fitness product, for example, ideally you'd want people working out, etc., etc. And so make sure your videographer can accommodate your video requirements before actually paying them. So that's why I recommend reaching out to a few, give them who your ideal customer is, let them know who and what would need to be in the video, and also give them the video dimensions. It's also important to note, and I'll just touch on this briefly, that you shouldn't have any social media links in the video, like in a video graphic. For example, you can't say follow us on Facebook or visit our website, because Amazon won't approve those ads. It should be obvious, but just real quick, because our client initially had some of those social media, like follow us on Facebook, and Amazon wasn't approving those. So make sure there's no social media links in the video graphics or website graphics, and you should be good to go. And the last thing I will say about the video ads is it's better to give them the copy that you want them to put in the graphics ahead of time, because if you just let the freelancer, here's a product, and if you just like send them a link to your website and just tell them to put a few things in there, it'll kind of come out not professional. So you'll want to make sure that the graphics that you have explaining the video, like etc., comes with 100% vegan, things like that. You want to have the copy ahead of time written, and you also want to send that to the freelancer. So make sure you write the copy, not too long, again, for a really short video, for example, 45 seconds. Write the bullet points for them that they must include in the video, and make sure that they are targeting your ideal customer. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the Savvy Amazon Sellers podcast, so that way you can listen to every new episode like this on the go. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions at all, please leave me a comment below. I'll try to respond to you as fast as I can. And also, if you found this video resourceful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up.